CPECC is a professional petroleum engineering company which focuses on providing integrated solutions in upstream oil and gas industry. At the same time, provides refining, storage, and transportation engineering services to its global clients. The integrated solutions provided by CPECC includes survey, feasibility study, consulting, FEED, detailed design, procurement, construction, and installation, EPC contracting, fabrication, environmental and safety assessment, commissioning, operation, maintenance, and repair. Ever since 1994, CPECC has been ranked among the top 225 international contractors, and since 2010, CPECC has also been listed among the top 200 international design firms by Engineering News Record. CPECC has 8 survey, design, and consulting branches, 3 construction branches, 5 fabrication and modularization bases, and over 30 overseas business units. We take people as our foremost priority. All employees' involvement achieves sustainable improvement through sophisticated HSE management system and continuous improvement, protecting staff's health and their safety, meanwhile trying our best to prevent any damage to the environment, thus fulfilling our promise and responsibility to our staff, the client, and society. CPECC owns 11,200 sets of construction equipment with a single lifting capacity of 5,000 tons. The annual fabrication and manufacturing capacity is about 180,000 tons. CPECC cares about its employees, not only their physical health, but also their mental health. Besides, CPECC has kept working on facilitating multicultural integration, improving the professional skills of local staff. With all the efforts, CPECC has won a good reputation in the industry. As a leading petroleum engineering and construction company in China, CPECC has completed a series of huge oil and gas projects. Since 1958, CPECC has completed over 1,400 oil and gas field surface engineering projects and has become a Chinese leading upstream engineering and construction company. For 6 decades, CPECC has delivered about 115,000 kilometers of oil and gas pipelines, 59 million cubic meters of oil and gas storage facilities, more than 2,000 refining and petrochemical units, completed 5 refinery projects with capacity over 200,000 barrels per day, over 20 LNG liquefaction projects, and 129 LNG terminals. CPECC also completed plenty of offshore drilling platforms, large-scale steel structures, sewage treatment, and seawater desalination projects. Since the 1980s, CPECC has been involved in international business, covering more than 30 countries in the world. In the Middle East, the business covers Iraq, UAE, Kuwait, Qatar. In Iraq, the fast track of putting the Akdeb oil field into commercial production wins the company get praise. In the UAE, a 420-kilometer, 48-inch diameter onshore and offshore crude oil pipeline project and an oil field development project have been completed. In Africa, business is conducted in South Sudan, Chad, Algeria, Niger, Tanzania, and Uganda. In South Sudan, the total of 720,000 barrels per day oil field surface facilities were built. In Algeria, a 100,000 barrels per day condensate refinery, and in Salah, Tamanrasset, a water transfer project has won the company praise from local authorities and society. In Tanzania, the 350 million cubic feet per day Mnazi Bay and Songo Songo gas processing plant were built through skid-mounted and modular methods. In Central Asia and Russia, CPECC has businesses in Russia, Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, and Uzbekistan. In Kazakhstan, CPECC completed a series of oil and gas processing plants and a refinery modernization project. Especially, the company is involved in the construction of the Trans-Asia Pipeline project, completed the gas gathering, transmission, and treatment facilities in Turkmenistan's gas source, and all the compressor stations along the line A, B, and C ensured the smooth operation of the project. In the Asia-Pacific region, the business covers Pakistan, Australia, In Pakistan, a 781-kilometer oil product pipeline, Kankot gas compression station, and Port Casimir LNG receiving terminal have been constructed. In Australia, CPECC completed Dandine Central Gas Processing Facilities Expansion Project and a series of domestic gas service projects. In the Americas, the business covers Venezuela, Canada, Ecuador, Peru. In Venezuela, the company completed a 140,000 barrels per day desalting and dehydration project. In the region, CPECC also undertook McKay Riverfield Facility Project and a series of Andes Petroleum surface facilities. CPECC has completed a bunch of large-scale domestic oil and gas field surface projects, long-distance pipelines, natural gas liquefaction projects, and refineries. By continually fulfilling its promise, CPECC has received recognition, applause, and compliment from local governments, clients, and communities. Abide by its principle of safety, credit, innovation, harmony. CPECC keeps pursuing excellence. The company delivers quality and green service to its clients with high technology and efficient management.